Thank you.
Hey girl, what are you doing with the knife?
Hey, so I'm just getting the knife nice and hot before I dip it into the pancake batter that I made.
Oh, that's a new technique.
Yeah, so we're gonna dip it back into the oil until it gets nice and bubbly.
So it will be a square pancake?
Yeah, we're gonna do like a little pocket pancake.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, look at that. One more time.
Oh, so it gets thicker.
Yes.
Extra
Make
layer.
a little shell and then back into the oil.
I start to smell. Toasting.
Yeah, look at that. Look at the bubbles.
Bubbles, wow.
So while that's cooking, can you hold on to it for me?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Watch out, it's hot. Okay,
Hot,
so I
hot,
prepared
hot.
in the oven before some bananas.
Oh, I think it's ready.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so these are done. All right, so let me just
Black
take
bananas.
that. Yeah, but don't worry, it's supposed to be like that.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, so let's just blot this off. Okay.
Wow.
Yes, I'm gonna use a spatula, and we're just going to slide the pocket off.
I could help you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, I see the pockets.
Yeah. And now
Next.
let's take the banana that I made from earlier, and we're just gonna cut it like so, and put it directly inside.
Oh, it's green.
Yes, it's a puree.
I can see
Look
that.
at how easy that was.
Yes.
See?
Lift it up. Wow.
So like halfway. So that's done.
wow.
And we can't have banana pancakes without peanut butter and jelly.
And jelly, my
Yeah.
favorite.
So we'll use these syringes and just put them inside like this.
That's a nice technique. I never
Yeah.
thought about it.
Super easy. Look at
And
that.
clean. And you can save it.
You want some more?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
All right.
Shake it a little bit.
So now let me just take this white chocolate.
Nice.
Yeah, look at that.
It's milk or
No,
white
it's
chocolate?
melted white chocolate.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, let's just dip it in a little bit. And
Half white chocolate.
just half, just a little white chocolate.
That's nice.
Here, hand me that plate.
Here you are. Let me
Thank
help you
you.
with this. Wow.
Yes. Okay, so it needs some garnish. So we'll just put on some peanuts for crunch.
Oh, I'll help you. I
Yes.
see.
You
And
see?
strawberries.
For freshness. Here we go.
Let's put some inside.
Yeah. Here we go.
Some
And
here.
some blueberries, of course. Oh, that looks
I like
nice.
strawberries. I'm putting
Thank you.
everywhere. That's nice.
Okay, let's dig in.
Fork knife.
Here, it's your fork and knife.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And the peanuts.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes?
You want to cut? I'll let you cut it.
You let me cut. Okay.
Look at the jam.
Oh, nice. Yum.